Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram Liquid Glass new update not showing on your iPhone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. To solve this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to App Store and then click on Search app. Now search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. So click on Update option and then wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. If still liquid glass update not showing, then follow next step. Go to Instagram, click on profile icon, click on three line icon. Now scroll down and go to help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem without checking. Click on include and continue. Here explain your issue. After explain your issue, now send your report. After submit your report, your problem will be solved within very short time.